What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay you guys, I'm right here where we left off and I'm finding lots of new glassware. We have happy birthday glassware. We also have hooray, it's my birthday. This is definitely new and it's really heavy and nice by the brand Crystar. I'm not sure if this one is by the brand Crystar. No, it's not. This one is lighter and this one is much heavier and more substantial. We also have birthday and bridal shower shot glasses. It's my birthday month. Good things will happen. That's brand new. Also very heavy by Crystar. I really like the Crystar brand. Pop Fizz Clink. We also have Off the Market. And up here we have Cheers. Hi.
Hi, honey. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Always a good time. Especially when you got to be here right away in the morning.
Well, enjoy your night if I don't see you.
I get to help move a friend.
Oh my gosh.
I've been doing it for the last 3 days.
Oh my gosh.
I'm about done.
Good.
You enjoy your night, babe.
Thanks, honey. We also have my horoscope said this would happen, also by Crystar, and you can tell when it's Crystar because it's much heavier. I really do like their glasses. And we have Bachelorette Bash. Of course, quarantine and chill. But, you know, I don't know if you guys would want to see that one or not. How do you feel about that one? Oh, these are back. The Atlantic Fresh Scent and Lavender Field. We are literally going aisle to aisle. Storage bins. We have tons of pet treats. The little dog grooming mitts are back. We have dog nail clippers, all sorts of brushes. This brush feels really nice. The quality of it is really nice. Little dog balls. This is a really heavy duty one. Your dog is not going to be able to eat this. And these too, these are very solid, really nice. Any dog I've ever had, they always end up eating plastic if it's not sturdy enough. And fabric, don't even think about fabric. It looks like they've added some black microfiber cloths. We also have white and gray and light blue, all in microfiber. And then we also have the 100% cotton scratchy towels. That's what my husband calls them, kind of the scratchy cotton towels. He likes them when they have this sort of texture. They feel nice. I saw these last week, the sculpting soaps. These are by Bodycology. 3 fruity soaps, apple, blueberry, and watermelon. And the dupes are back. The Bath & Body Works dupes are back. This is Refreshing Mint Eucalyptus. I feel like I need to look over here. Okay, we have a lot of new socks. This one is definitely new with the shark. I saw these last time I was here and I thought they were so cute. We have a lot of new 3-packs of socks. All the low-cut juncture animal socks are stocked up really nice. Okay, back to this side. The face masks, the hand and nail gloves, the under eye masks, the repairing honey hair mask.
I'm about to get one of these for your house because you need one. And I know your feet crusty.
I feel like some of these might be new. These colors are new. These ones are actually faceted, but these ones are just shiny. I love these colors. The silky scrunchies. So pretty. The pink is really pretty. We have pink, peach. This one's not silky, but it feels really soft. Sort of a gray, silver. This feels really durable. Pink, brown. Ooh, look at all these. Pearls. I love pearls. Pink, blue, sort of a fuchsia. We have a couple different shapes. Brown. Some of the bobby pins from Five Below. I had one of these when I was a girl when they first came out, and I could never figure out how to use it. It was like the name brand one, and I like bought it at Nordstrom's and paid like way too much for it. And I never figured out how to use it, but I'm gonna try again. It's been so many years. I wanna try again and see if I can figure it out this time. Hand wipes on the end cap, as well as lots of glasses. Night vision glasses. Clear vision nighttime driving. Has anyone tried these? Night vision glasses? What? I'm really curious about these. I think these are new, this peachy color. I think these are also new. We also have some kids' glasses here. We have the brown with the pink. I saw these at my other store. You guys, these are the liquid highlighters. The containers feel like they're glass, so definitely be careful with these. You guys, I'm gonna end right here, but definitely come back to my next video. We're gonna start right here in my very next one, and we're gonna just stand here and just kind of make sure we're not missing anything, because I know we saw a lot of new makeup in a couple of my other videos, but you know, you got to take your time over here so you don't miss anything. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.